Hello everyone. Today we will learn the conjugation of the verb sein. Before that, we will write the personal pronoun that is in English and in German both. Okay? So first I am writing the personal pronoun in English. You already know it. I, informal you, he, she, it, we, they, you all, and formal you. Okay. Same personal pronoun we say as Personalpronomen in German. So I am writing the personal pronoun in German this side. That is, we say I as ich, do you as du, he as er, she as sie. Wait a bit. She as sie, it as s, we as wir, they as sie, you all as ihr, and you formal as capital S I E. So I, ich, informal you, du, he, er, she, sie, it, es, we, wir, they, sie, you all, ihr, and you formal, sie. Now I will take a verb that is to be or are, and we will conjugate the verb according to the subject, personal pronoun. Okay, so the verb is sein. I am writing here the verb is sein, which means to be or are in English. You say I am in English, that is the verb. Main verb is what? Are. Now we will conjugate this verb both in German and in English. Okay, so I am writing the verb here as sein, which means to be or are. Now, as you know, this is the main verb. So for I, we write or use as am. For you, are. These three, for these three, that is the third person, we write is. For all the three, we will write is. We are. For all the plurals, we have written it as are. You already know it. Now same will be for German also. Now we say I as ich, and the conjugation of the sein with ich will be bin. So it is ich bin, du bist. Same as in English, in German also the third person conjugation will be same for all the three. Er, sie, es, or he, she, it, the same conjugation will be there. That is ist. For plural we, wir, we will write it as sind. For they, sind. For ihr, seid. And formal you, sind. Now you can easily differentiate or distinguish between this z based on the conjugated form. You can see the conjugation of the 3z. For she, that is sie in German, it is used as ist. For they, sind, and formal you, sind. Now in English you say I am Nilish. I am taking an example, I am Nilish. So in English we write it as what? I am Nilish. I am rubbing this part so that I can explain you more nicely. We will translate it. I am Nilesh. Okay, I am Nilesh. So we say, what do we say? I we say as ich in German. So I will write here ich. The second verb position is there. That is am. We say am as bin in German. So ich bin Nilesh. We will take one more example. Suppose this example I am taking she. So she is what? Female form. She is Nora. Okay. So what do we say she in German? Sie. So I am writing as sie. ist, because the conjugation of this z is ist. Nora. Now I am taking another example. This zin form I am taking. So what we say z, it is plural form. They are children. Okay, I am taking this example. What do we say? They, we say it as z. I am writing z. The conjugation you can see here, zin, not ist, because I am using they form, and they we say as z in German. So z, zin, and we say Kinder in German. So in this way, you all will conjugate the respective personal pronoun, that is ich, du, er, sie, es, and the verb sein. Ich, again I am repeating, with ich we use it bin, du, bist, er, sie, es, same form, that is the third person, we say er as he, sie as she, es as it. So er, sie, es, ist, the plural form wir, sind, the they form, that is sie, sind, ihr, sei, and the formal form sie, sind. You can easily differentiate now this z and this z based on the example which I gave here. Okay, thank you.